Oh yes, I forgot I got this. I got some good stuff. I'm gonna get straight into it, guys. No faffing about. You're only here to see one thing, so let's get started. Slight disclaimer before we start, my kids are home. It is the Easter holidays. Both my kids are in the kitchen being very loud, so if you hear any background noise, it's them. My star buy right here, I'm going to pop in by my feet and I'm going to do my star buy last, so stick around to see my star buy at the end. I'm very excited about this one. I've been looking for one of these for ages. They're really expensive on Amazon and this was a bargain. I know I've got some really pretty things over here. I will get to those in just a sec as well, but let's delve into the bag. Okay, it is both my son's birthdays next week. They're 2 days apart. And I got a few bits for my toddler, for my 2-year-old. He is obsessed with letters and numbers. Don't ask me why. He just loves them. So I got him some foam letters and numbers. Again, nearly got these on Amazon and I'm glad I didn't because these were a bargain. They were £2.50 for like loads. I won't need all of those. And then to go with it, I got this little bath tidy with these little suckers on it in this little bag because I thought, oh my gosh, these are going to go everywhere. So I got this little bath tidy to sucker on the side of the bath and keep all of these within it, which is £1.29. Then, can you tell he likes the bath? I also got him this lovely little bath mirror, which you can just stick on the side of the bath when it's wet, but it also comes with these bath crayons. I might be kicking myself for this. I remember getting these when my eldest was a toddler and instantly regretting it, but I'm trying to get him more into, you know, mark making and things, so if it encourages it, I'll let it go. And that was £2.49 for that. Also, I've had to hide this one. So my eldest, Leo, he was very specific about what he wanted to get his brother for his birthday. He wanted to get him a plushie Mickey Mouse that talks, and then we were walking through the baby bit, and there it was. Leo saw it, he was like, oh my gosh. So we had to hide it in the trolley, and he does talk. Cooper loves Mickey Mouse.
Hiya, I'm Mickey Mouse. You wanna play?
I think it's got numbers and letters on here, so again,
1, 2, 3.
oh my gosh. He'll love that. Oh God, he's gonna hear it.
Numbers.
No, turn off.
1, 2.
How'd you turn it off?
3.
How much was he? I remember thinking he was $14.99, which is basically the same as what they seemed to be on Amazon. It's just going rate for a talking Mickey Mouse. We have a birthday party on Sunday for my friend's little girl, and they had some really cute little girl, still talking, bath and beauty bits. If you have a little girl yourself, I got her a My Little Pony bath fizzer scented rainbow bath fizzer. Watch my rainbow trail. And I got her a little set of LOL lip glosses. I think that was like £2 and that was like £4 or something, but I thought they were really cute little gifts for a little girl. And also because we were looking at the bath bombs and obviously I had the kids with me, Leo wanted to get one, so I said he could get one. He chose this dino egg fizzer, which has a surprise toy inside apparently. That was £1.50, I believe. Guys, I'm a changed woman. If you're a long time subscriber, get my words out, you'll know that I never come out of B&M Home Bargains without some serious snackage. You know, the chocolate bars, the sweeties. But I'm trying to be really, really, really good. I'm on a bit of a fitness journey at the moment in the countdown to my wedding. So I left with snacks, but they are not my normal type of snack. I barely recognise myself, to be honest. I got myself some protein chips in barbecue flavour. Apparently there's 10 grams of protein in them, 50% less fat, low sugar, la-di-da-di-da. I thought I'll give those a go. Little snack to keep in my handbag. I got a couple of bags of those. I'll try those today. And also a couple of protein bars to try. Again, like, who is she? I got this one, the Dynabar High Protein in chocolate flavour. To be honest, I find most protein bars absolutely grotesque, so I don't know if I'm going to like these or not. And the PhD Smart High Protein Bar in birthday cake flavour. I remember thinking though, for protein bars, they were relatively cheap. Like when I see them in Asda, and they're like £3 each. I think, who can afford to eat these? Yeah, so they were like 99p, £1.50, much cheaper than other protein bars I've seen. Well, and I also got a high protein cookie in salted caramel. If these are good, I'll let you know, and I'll definitely go back to Home Bargains and stock it up. But yeah, like I said, most of these snacks tend to be. I got Leo a set of clear glue pens. These are so good. They're much better than the squeezy PVA, which I find just goes everywhere. And the Pritt sticks, sometimes you need like a stickier glue, you know, depending on what they're trying to make, bless them. And these are great, these clear glue pens. They have like a little spongy bit at the top so it doesn't go everywhere. They just sort of brush it around where they need it. They're genius. A set of 3 of those clear glue pens, 69p. God, that's good, isn't it? It's really good. Can you tell I had the kids with me? I was just throwing stuff in, not looking at the price. That's life, isn't it? I got some Garnier Micellar water for £1.50. Obviously it is small, smaller than your average bottle, but I love this stuff. It is dreamy. It gets off all makeup, and that includes eye makeup. And this gets off mascara so much better than eye makeup remover. I find eye makeup remover really greasy, do you know what I mean? But this is literally just water and gets it off so easy. It leaves my skin feeling really nice and cleansed. I love this stuff. Also got a roll-on deodorant for obvious reasons. I had to get a bottle of hairspray because Leo's in a phase at the moment where he loves his hair in a mohawk, or a mohawken as he calls it. And it's getting way too long for that, really. Like, I need to try and get him out of this phase because his hair's so long it just kind of like flops over like a shark. But he wanted me to do one yesterday, and Clint's working away and he's taken his hairspray with him. That did not go down well. So we had to buy a hairspray in the shop that Leo can have for when he needs this mohawken. This hairspray is the best, isn't it, though, by the way? So good. £3.99 for a big bottle of it. I got a giant blue toilet disc. I love these giant ones. They don't sell them everywhere. So when I see one, I grab it. This lasts for ages. 8 weeks. I think that's probably stretching the truth a little bit. I don't know if 8 weeks is accurate, but it definitely lasts a while. I'm going to put that in our downstairs loo because obviously that's the one that gets the most traffic. You guys are subscribers, you'll know how I feel about my downstairs loo. Literally have to clean it every day because I live in a house full of men and boys, and yeah, I have to clean it a lot. Star buy is coming up, but I'll just show you these 2 things first. The garden section was fantastic, really good. I could have got loads more, but this week it's just been pouring every single day this week, and I'm not fully there. I'm not fully in garden mode, so I didn't feel like I could really go wild. I definitely will maybe go back again in a month's time or so when the sun has actually decided to show its face. But I did get a couple of bits because I was just worried that they would go, and they were great. I got this. How cute is this? Bamboo tray. Trays are so handy in the summer when you're just living in the garden. If I'm just bringing snacks or drinks out for the kids, or we've got friends over, like, never underestimate the power of a tray. Very handy. This beautiful bamboo tray, there's no price on it, hold on. This was £3.50. I think that's a real bargain and will get a lot of use, so I was more than happy to buy that. And these, okay, I am thinking about my outdoor furniture. If you follow me, if you know my house and my garden, I've got this huge round furniture set on our patio, and I think these would look so lovely on there. I only got 2 because I wasn't 100% sure about the colours. I need to put them on there and see if they look right. But if I love them and if the colour is spot on, I think I'll go and get a couple more. So you get a pack of 2 printed cushions, and they are water resistant. So not 100% waterproof, but they are water resistant, and they have a zip. A lot of these outdoor cushions, like, the cover doesn't come off, there's no zip. So once they get like moldy or gross, that's it, you're screwed. But these come off and can be washed at 30 degrees, so that's really handy, isn't it? So a pack of 2 was £8.99, so yeah, like £4.50 each. That's really good, isn't it? Like I said, I'm going to check the colour, and if they look great, I'm definitely going to run back to Home Bargains and grab some more because I think they're really lovely for the garden. Which brings me to my star buy. So I went in the storage section. Again, If you know me, that'll be no surprise to you. I love a bit of storage. I make no secret of it. And I pretty much already had it all. It was, yeah, I was pretty much just looking at my own house in that aisle.
Mommy?
Yes, darling?
You know that Daddy told me to do that jiu-jitsu move against the wall?
Yeah.
I did. I'm practicing.
Are you, darling? I've only got one more thing to talk about and then I'm done, so I can come watch you.
Okay.
Go practice again and then I'll come watch, okay? So yeah, I was pretty much looking at my own house. There was nothing I really required, to be honest. But then I saw this. This is a fridge storage drawer. I see these all over Instagram, TikTok, what have you. And I have had a look on Amazon at them before, and yeah, they were a little bit pricey and I just haven't bothered. But this one was £2.50. £2.50. How great is that? All I need to do now is just install it and think about what I'm gonna put in it. I'm thinking like little snacky bits, like Leo has these like little mini pepperonis and things. I'm thinking that they'll slot nicely in there. I don't know, very exciting times. But make sure you're following me on Instagram because I will film it when I put it in the fridge and use it. So I will give a full review on there. But there you go, that brings me to the end of my latest home bargains haul. I need to get back to the kids. Half-time life, you know how it is. We're off to the cinema this afternoon to watch the new Super Mario Brothers film. So that should be fun. And I need to do a big food shop, which will give me a chance to use this, won't it? But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe before you go, and I will see you in my next video.